Now, here's how you can use Notion and how to make Notion send daily notifications on your iPhone. So at first, as I mentioned in my previous videos, you have to be sure that the Notion app has notification enabled within the iPhone. So when you open up these settings, and I'm already in here, but essentially on the main page, just find the notification section, and from the list of apps, find Notion and ensure that the first toggle is enabled. The other things are kind of up to you to figure it out, but you just have to have them enabled to make it work. Then you leave these settings and then you can jump over to the Notion application itself. Now, you have to find some sort of page or perhaps create a new one where you're going to set this all up. Does not really matter. Obviously, it's up to you to decide the organization and where you want to put it. But let's say that I'm just going to click and start a new one. And I'm going to go from the title is right here, but I'm going to jump over into the actual text field. I'll click the 1, 2, 3 button and type the @ symbol. So this @ symbol allows you to mention different users or link to a different page or a date. So date is likely what we want to do, but essentially we want to type in the remind command. And now plenty of different things, obviously, which are going to pop up, but I believe it should have the ability to just type that in, because you can see we have the @remind and then you can type in tomorrow or the exact date or whatever. But you can type in, I'm pretty sure that it is going to work when I type in every day. Just remind me every day at, I don't know, 8 a.m. I'm pretty sure this should work. When I click return or hit done, it didn't catch on that, but when I just type in remind in here after the @ sign, I'm going to be able to pick a specific date, right, in date and time. So I'm just going to use a remind to tomorrow like this. And for whatever reason, I just cannot get it to work. So sorry about that, I was just using wrong spelling. So essentially just type in @remind, and you want to essentially just type in the date. For example, you're going to want to make it tomorrow or on Friday. And essentially this is when it's going to be reminding you. However, if you want to make it remind you every single day and do that daily, what you're going to have to do is to make sure that you have to schedule it day by day for the entire month, which is a little bit tedious and it's not the way that we would want. But the Notion doesn't have daily built-in reminders, but you can easily do that. But you just have to set it up that you have to do it on each day, right? So you can just set it up and you can just tap on it and either switch the reminder date like this or set up a bunch of different reminders for every single day. That's an option as well, but that's not a built-in feature that you can be reminded every single day. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.